Welcome to CM Machine Services featured product today. Today in the showroom, what we have here to show is our 600 millimeter flattening machine. That 600 millimeter is because of the belt width. You can also see the other video on our website for the 400 millimeter machine. The real difference is the width, the length, and all other measurements are pretty much the same, the 400 millimeter compared to the 600. Why you would want the 600? It's to be able to put more product on the belt in comparison to the 400 millimeter. They both look the same. I do have another videos of the 400 model, but here you can clearly see that this machine is a great product, excellent built. Over here I took out the covers just so that you can understand how to adjust the height of the breast. So this is mainly for chicken breasts, and we have here the handle, which will allow you to press down and bring up the front part of the rollers. This is the entrance and will allow you to adjust the height here. And then it will kind of incline downwards so that it presses the breast. So you do not get the machine showing these chains here, of course. We just removed the covers so that you can understand how to adjust the back part here. And the way that you do it, you want to loosen this bolt here so that when you bring up or tighten with a wrench over here to adjust the height, this will also move at the same time once you find your position and the chain is tight. See here, I'm trying to press. It's fairly tight. Then you want to lock it in. So you lock it in, and this type of machine is mainly for a company that will adjust the height to the way that they want, and really not be playing with that on a constant basis. We do have digital and other models available if you are changing heights constantly throughout the day. So we do have those models available. Here is the front panel. It is IP65 water pressure. These can be washed down. Of course, like any other machine, we ask customers not to hose down the machine, but yes, they're IP65 rated. Over here is where the product comes out. You can see the motor there, nice and clean, beautiful workmanship. Over here again, I'm going to show you and explain on this side. Again, when you're adjusting the height, you want to be able to loosen that bolt there so that when it is going up, you are adjusting it, and you're really only doing this at one time. As I mentioned, this is not a machine that you can, but it's not a machine that you want to be playing around with the height measurements on a constant basis. What most customers do is they will buy two machines, and they will press one time, and then the following machine they can press another time. That just means so that the machine does not press very fast and then break the muscle of the product. Okay, you got your emergency stop there, and you also have here a connector. This is so that it releases water on the belt, so that the belt is not sticky. The product does not stick to the belt. And then over here you have the drain pan, so that as the water comes out, it will go out to the drain. All right, this is the front there. Again, this is the model as the 600 millimeter model. You can see my other videos as well for the 400 millimeter. So now you can see what the 400 and the 600 millimeter machine looks like for the meat flattening machine. Over here at CM Machine Services, this is here, and tomorrow it will be gone. These are coming in and out. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again at our next video for CM Machine Services.